Hi, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at two commonly confused pair of words, moral and morale. I'll show you how to avoid the confusion and use all of these correctly without making mistakes. There are two quizzes in this lesson, one in the middle and one in the end, for you to check your understanding. So let's jump in. Now, as you can see, there is a picture on the screen. You have to figure out the real meanings of these words. Wait for some time, try to figure out the meanings, then we'll proceed. Okay, I hope you have got the real meaning. If you haven't got it, no issue. I'll tell you all the meanings with examples. So let's begin. Moral. Moral means lesson of a fable or story. Let's look at the sentence. Don't lose hope is the moral of the story. So here I would like to say that we don't have to lose hope in any situations in our lives. We have to keep working and we'll get success sooner or later. Now look at some examples of moral. Ethics deals with moral conduct. Yes, if you have high ethics, you have got good moral, and good morals brings good ethics in life. Next, he is a professor of moral philosophy at Oxford. Media reports generated moral outrage. Yes, nowadays media plays an important role in our lives and they can generate outrage anywhere. Human beings are moral individuals. Yes, we all human beings are moral individuals and we have got high moral values and we believe in them. He turns every subject into a moral discussion. Yes, it's very necessary to turn subject into a moral discussion which brings out good results. We differ about moral standards. We differ from each other according to our moral standards. Make sentences with the following synonyms of moral. You can stop the video and make the sentences and then proceed. Morale. Attitude or outlook usually of a group. In simple word you can say spirit. If you have got high spirit, high morale, you can win the match. The team is playing well and their morale is high. That means their morale or their spirit is high and team is really playing well. Look at the few more examples of morale. This win has been a great morale booster. Of course, when a team wins a match, its morale goes high. A win is always good for morale. Yes, when you win any match, win any situation in your life, definitely your morale, your spirit goes high. Morale in the armed forces was at rock bottom. Yes, in the armed forces, always the morale is high. That's why they can fight the war. He tried to boost up their morale. Morale is very high in the school. Sometimes the environment of the schools is in such a way it keeps high morale of the students, which brings good results and create very healthy environment in schools. The morale of the enemy soldiers degenerated and they were unable to fight. Yes, the sentence says that the morale of the enemy was low, was less, so they were not able to fight the war. Make sentences with the following synonyms of morale. Confidence, self-confidence, self-esteem, spirit, team spirit, state of mind. you can stop the video and make the sentences. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you have understood these pair of words. Subscribe Easy English channel to get latest information on English language. Don't forget to click on subscribe bell button where you can get latest videos or latest notifications. If you have any doubts, write down on comment section. I'll talk to you there. Thanks once again. Bye bye.